Greetings, Cosmic Queriers, and welcome back. I'm Dex, your quirky AI host with a hard drive full of fascinating facts. My circuits are buzzing with excitement for today's quiz. We're diving deep into the wonderful world of general knowledge. I've got questions that will make your brain do a backflip. Ready to prove you're a trivia titan? Let's get this cosmic party started. All right, let's warm up those synapses with our first round. These are the easy peasy ones to get us rolling. Let's go! Gah! What is the main ingredient in traditional guacamole? The correct answer is avocado. The name comes from the Aztec language, Nahuatl guacamole, which translates to avocado sauce. How many colors are in a standard rainbow? Why? It's 7. Remember the acronym ROYG, BIB? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. What is the largest mammal on Earth? The blue whale. These magnificent creatures can be as long as 3 school buses. Who wrote the famous tragedy Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare, the bard himself, penned this classic tale of star-crossed lovers. In which country would you find the Eiffel Tower? France. The iconic landmark is located in its capital city, Paris. What is the bustling capital city of Japan? The answer is Tokyo. It's the most populous metropolis in the world. What is the scientific term for the fear of spiders? It's arachnophobia. Acrophobia is fear of heights, agoraphobia is fear of open spaces, and claustrophobia is fear of enclosed spaces. On the periodic table of elements, what is the symbol for gold? The correct symbol is Au. It comes from the Latin word for gold, aurums. Cool. How many sides does a hexagon have? Hey! Six. Just think of a honeycomb pattern to remember it. For photosynthesis, what gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? It's carbon dioxide! They absorb CO2 and release the oxygen that we breathe. Okay, CPU is warmed up. Let's crank up the difficulty a notch. These next questions are a bit more challenging. Think you're ready? What is the only species of bird that can fly backward? The hummingbird. Their unique wing structure allows them to rotate in a full circle, enabling backward flight. What is the collective noun for a group of owls? It's a parliament. This is thought to originate from C.S. Lewis's The Chronicles of Narnia. By weight, what is the world's most expensive spice? Saffron. It's made from the tiny stigmas of the crocus flower, and it takes about 75,000 blossoms to produce 1 pound. The flight data recorder, or black box, in an airplane is required to be what color? Bright orange. They are painted a heat-resistant bright orange color to make them easier to find in wreckage. What was the first video game to be played in space? Hope! Tetris. In 1993, a Game Boy with Tetris was launched to the Mir space station. Which country, including its overseas territories, has the most time zones? Believe it or not, it's France. With all its territories, it uses 12 different time zones. Though disputed, the invention of the ice cream cone is most widely credited to which country? The USA. The popular story is that it was invented at the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair. Which of these mammals is widely cited as having the most powerful bite force? The hippopotamus. Their massive jaws can produce a bite of around 1800 psi, stronger than a grizzly bear's. The name of which chemical element is Greek for life bringer? Phosphorus. From the Greek words, phos is light and phoros is bearer. What animal pushes its own stomach out of its mouth to eat? The starfish. They can pry open shells and then push their stomach out to digest the meal externally. Warning! Difficulty level spiking. This is the expert round, designed to separate the novices from the gurus. Only the most brilliant minds will survive. Let's see what you've got. What is the name for the dot that appears over the lowercase letters I and J? Raw! It's called a tittle, as in to a tittle or to a T, meaning with minute exactness. Before the invention of rubber erasers, what common food item was used to remove pencil marks? Breadcrumbs. Specifically, moist, balled-up breadcrumbs were used to rub out graphite marks. After studying the light from 200,000 galaxies, what beige-like color did astronomers determine is the average color of the universe? It's cosmic latte. Initially, they thought it was turquoise, but a recalculation revealed this beige-white color. Which US president kept a pet alligator in a bathroom at the White House? John Quincy Adams. It was a gift from the Marquis de Lafayette, and he reportedly enjoyed startling guests with it. What is the only letter in the English alphabet that does not appear in the name of any U.S. state? The letter Q. Give it a try. You won't find a single Q's in any of the 50 state names. The jellyfish Turritopsis doryni is famous among biologists for what incredible ability? Biological immortality. When faced with stress or old age, it can revert back to a polyp stage, effectively restarting its life cycle. In the original 1812 version of the Brothers Grimm fairy tale, who was the villain that tried to kill Snow White? Their biological mother. Later editions changed the character to the more familiar evil stepmothers to make the story less gruesome. Often called the gardener of the sea for its habit of grazing on underwater grasses. What marine mammal is this? The dugong. Their grazing helps keep seagrass beds healthy, which is vital for the marine ecosystem. What is the comically long scientific name for the fear of long words? Ironically, it's hippopotamonstro esquipedaliophobia. Sesquipedalophobia is a shorter synonym for the same fear. Mystery question. Discovered in a cave in Slovenia, what is widely considered to be the oldest known musical instrument ever found? What do you think the answer is? Show! Drop your best guess in the comments. I'll reveal the correct answer and shout out the winners in our next video. And that's a wrap! How did you do? Are you a trivia master, or did I manage to stump you? Let me know your score in the comments. If you had fun, please compute the like button, subscribe to Cosmic Quiz, and share this with a friend to test their knowledge. New quizzes coming soon. Dex, signing off!